Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. And I'm back here after 2 months break from my YouTube channel as I was gone to Mandal in Uttarakhand, which is a very small village, and there was no Wi-Fi, so I could not upload my videos. And now I hope to post my videos every other day. And today we are going to discuss the topic Exponents and Powers, chapter 12. In this video, first we'll recall back what we have studied in class 7, which is mainly the laws of exponents, where the power is either 0 or positive. Okay. What is this number? How this is read? This is 5 raised to power 3. 5 here is called base and 3 here is called exponent. And this is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times. Means the base multiplied by itself 3 times. Any number raised to power n is a is any number, a multiplied by itself n times. कहाँ यूज होते हैं ऐसे numbers? Suppose there is one big number, mass of the earth, that is this much kilograms. It is difficult to read this number or write or understand, or if I am to compare this number with some other big number, it is difficult. So, if I write this number in some short way using exponents, then it becomes easy to read, write or compare the numbers. Like this number can be written as 597 into 1 and 19 zeros. Okay, so I can write this number as this into 10 raised to power 19, or if I write 5.97 means I will have to multiply this number by 100, then I get 597 into 10 raised to power 19. This is 5.97 into 10 raised to power 2 and 19, 21. This much is the mass of earth in kilograms. नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स. उससे पहले सपोज आई एम टू राइट द नंबर 256 एज पावर ऑफ 2. means 2 raised to which power is this number. That means if I factorize this number 256 as so this is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means this is 2 raised to power 8. Right? And suppose I am to write this number 72 as power of a product of prime numbers. That means what we will do is we will prime factorize this. This is 36, 2, 18, now 2 9s are, then 3 3s are. So this number can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 times and 3 multiplied 2 times. So I can write this 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2. I can write this number as these 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Okay, so 2 रेज टू पावर 3 इंटू 3 रेज टू पावर 2। नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं कि लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स क्या थे। फर्स्ट इज this, where a is non-zero integer and m and n are whole numbers, means either 0 और पॉजिटिव नंबर। ओके, मैं इनके आपको साथ साथ प्रूफ्स बताती हूँ कि कैसे ये हमें मिला। सो इसमें हमें देखो, a इज़ अ नॉन ज़ीरो इंटीजर। इंटीजर कौन कौन से होते हैं? मीन्स 0 पॉजिटिव नंबर्स एंड नेगेटिव नंबर। 0 तो लेना नहीं है। सो वन नंबर आई टेक पॉजिटिव, one number I will take positive and one number I will take negative। तो हम ऐसे प्रूफ करेंगे। So all the integers are covered here। Next is m and n are whole numbers, either 0 और positive। तो इसमें एक बार मैं पॉजिटिव ले लेती हूँ 3 एंड n ले लेते हैं हम 5 एंड इसमें हम ले लेते हैं m इक्वल टू 0 एंड n इक्वल टू 3। So all 0 and positive numbers are covered here। ठीक है, दोनों केसेस में if I can show this holds true means this is true for every these type of numbers। Okay, so first we will take this, we'll start with a raised to power n into a raised to power n। What is a here? A is 2. What is m here? 3. So 2 raised to power 3 into a raised to power n. A is 2, n is 5. Okay. So this is 2 raised to power 3 means 2 into 2. Okay. And 2 raised to power 5 means 2 multiplied by itself 5 times. So what is this number? Taken together, it is 2 multiplied by 2 8 times। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So 8 I can write it as 3 plus 5। What is 2 here? A. What is 3? M. What is 5? N, right? So I started with this a raised to power n in multiplied by a raised to power n. This is nothing but a raised to power n plus n। In this case it is true। Second case we have taken the negative integer। So a raised to power m into a raised to power n is, a here is minus 2, raised to power m is 0 into a is minus 2, n is 3, right? So any number raised to power 0 is 1। How this is 0 I will tell you later in this video only। And into minus 2 raised to power 3। So this is minus 2 raised to power 3, 1 into any number is the number itself। Okay, so I can write this as 0 plus 3, 3 is nothing but 0 plus 3। So what is minus 2? A. What is 0? M. What is 3? This is n। So we started with this and we reached here, it is a raised to power m plus n। In both the cases this law holds true, right? Next is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is a m minus n। ठीक है, similarly we'll take same। a is a non-zero integer, so one number I have taken positive, other is negative, m and n are whole number, same. I have taken positive number here and one 0 and other positive number are here. So in this case we'll start a raised to power m upon a raised to power n is, what is a here? 2, raised to power m is 3. What is a here? 2, n is 5, right? So this is 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 5 times, right? 3 gets cut, cancelled. So this is 1 upon 2 into 2. So this is 1 upon 2 raised to power 2. This is 2 raised to power minus 2. This I will explain in this video only later. Okay. So this I can write 2 into 3 minus 5 I can write, minus 2 I can write 3 minus 5. So 2 is a and 3 is m, 5 is n. So we started with this and reached here a raised to power m minus n. So this law is true for these values. Okay. Next we will consider this case, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. A here is minus 2 raised to power m 0 minus 2 raised to power n, n here is 3. Minus 2 raised to power 0 is 1, minus 2 raised to power 3 is, as it is we will write. So this is nothing but minus 2 raised to power minus 3. Okay. So this is minus 2 raised to power, I can write this as 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 3 only. So what is minus 2? This is a. What is 0? M. What is 3? N. So this is, we started with a raised to power m upon a raised to power n is equal to, so this law holds true for these values also. So all this is covered in these values, hence this law is proved. Third is a raised to power m, again raised to power n is a raised to power m into n, right? Again values we have taken, we will start with left hand side this is a is 2, raised to power m is 3, again raised to power 5. So first we will open this bracket, raised to power 5 means 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3, how many times? 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this again we will open this, 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, again this 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, again this 3 times, okay, then this 3 times, then this 3 times, okay. If I club these together, what I get? 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I can write this as 2 raised to power 3 into 5. What is 2 here? A. What is 3 here? M. What is 5 here? N. So this is right hand side. We started with a raised to power m raised to power n and reached here. This is equal to a raised to power m into n. So this law is true for these values. Now we will see whether it is true for these values. A raised to power m raised to power n. A here is minus 2. Raised to power m is 0. Raised to power n is 3. Okay. So this is this number multiplied by itself 3 times. Minus 2 raised to power 0, minus 2 raised to power 0, minus 2 raised to power 0 3 times. Any number raised to power 0 is what? 1. Okay. Acha. But here we'll apply that first law. What is first law? A raised to power m into A raised to power n is A raised to power m plus n. So this is minus 2, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Powers will be added because base is same. So this is minus 2 raised to power 0. Okay. So I can write this 0 as 0 into 3. 0 multiplied by any number is 0 only. Why I have written this? Because I started with this and I want to reach till this. So this minus 2 raised to power 0. So I will convert this number into this form. Okay. That is why I have multiplied the 3, because m here is 0 and n here is 3. Minus 2 is nothing but A, 0 is m, 3 is n. What is this? This is right hand side. So we started with A raised to power m raised to power n. This is, we have proved that it is equal to this. So in both the cases, this law is proved. And in both the cases, all these numbers are covered. So this law is proved. Next is A raised to power m into B raised to power m is equal to AB raised to power m. इसमें जैसे A is a non-zero integer, ऐसे ही B is also a non-zero integer. So A and B, okay, R. ठीक है. इसमें हमने A is equal to 2 लिया है, एक B ले लेते हैं, B ले लेते हैं हम 3, ओके, और M हम ले लेते हैं 3, और से विल टेक 4, ओके, एंड N की तो इसमें ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड नेक्स्ट A वी हैव टेकन -2, एंड व्हाट अबाउट B? B I can take 3 same, and M I can take 0 because one number I want 0 and only M we want. So no need of N here. ठीक है. Now first we will do for this A raised to power m into B raised to power m equal to what is A? 2. Raised to power m is 4 into B is 3, m is 4. Right? So this is 2 multiplied by itself 4 times, and this is 3 raised to power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 4 times, right? I can write this as first 2 into 3 this, then 2 into 3 this, after that this and this, after that the last one this and this. I can write this like this. Okay, so this is 2 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, right? What is 2? 2 is A. What is 3? B. What is 4? M. So this is nothing but AB raised to power m. This is what we were to prove. So we started with this and reached here. So this law holds true for these values. In the second case, let us do A raised to power m into B raised to power m is equal to, A here is -2, m here is 0 into B here is 3 and m here is 0. So this is -2 raised to power 0 is 1, 3 raised to power 0 is also 1. Now, so this is nothing but 1 only. So I can write this as -2 into 3 raised to power 0, because any number raised to power 0 is 1. Why I have written like this? Because I have started with this left hand side and I want to reach a number like this. So what is AB? AB is, A is -2, B is 3. So I have written -2 into 3. So AB is there. M is 0. So this is of the form this. One I can always write like this. Okay? So this is nothing but A and this 3 is nothing but B raised to power 0 is m. ठीक है, so a raised to power m into b raised to power m is a into b raised to power m. So this law holds true for these values also, and all the values are covered in these two cases. Fifth law is a raised to power m upon b raised to power m is equal to a by b raised to power m. We'll do for these two cases because in these two cases all the numbers are covered. So left hand side is a raised to power m upon b raised to power m. What is a here? 2. Raised to power m is 4. B here is 3. Raised to power m is 4. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. This is 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. So this I can write 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. है ना? So what is this? 2 by 3 raised to power 4. What is 2? A. What is B? What is 3? That is B. So raised to power 4 is m. So this is right hand side. We started with a raised to power m upon b raised to power m and proved that this is equal to a by b raised to power m. So this is true for these values. Next we will do for this a raised to power m upon b raised to power m. A here is minus 2, m here is 0, b here is 3 and this is 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1, any number raised to power 0 is 1, so this is 1. 1 I can write this. Why I have written like this? Because starting with this I want to reach to this, which is the right hand side. If I can write a is minus 2 and b is 3 and raised to power 0, this is also 1. So 1 can be written like this. So this is a, minus 2 is a, 3 is b, raised to power 0 is m. So a raised to power m upon b raised to power m is equal to this. This law is true in this case also. Okay. Sixth is a raised to power 0 is 1. अभी जो मैंने आपको पीछे बोला था कि इसी वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी हाउ a raised to power 0 is 1. इसके लिए लेट a is equal to 2. इसमें हम ले लेते हैं a is equal to minus 2. दो सब कवर हो जाएंगे. नॉन जीरो इंटीजर, जीरो लेना नहीं है. 1 पॉजिटिव 1 नेगेटिव. नाउ पहले कंसिडर करते हैं 2 raised to power 3. What is 2 raised to power 3? This is 2 into 2 into 2, right? What is 2 raised to power 2? Means एक पावर हमने कम कर दी है. This is 2 into 2. So this I can write this number 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2. 1 will get cancelled and this number is same as this, right? That means here I have divided this number by this base 2. Next number means power is still reduced by 1, 3 to 1. So this is 2. I can write this 2 as 2 into 2 by 2. 2 into 2 is this number, 2 raised to power 2. है ना? And this is 2. That means here also I have divided the previous number by this base 2. That means in each step we are dividing by the base. So next is 2 0. How I will get this number? I will divide this number by this base 2. That means this is 2 raised to power 1 divided by the base here is 2. This is 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 by 2 that is 1. That is why 2 raised to power 0 is 1. Okay. Here also take minus 2 raised to power 3. So this is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Next we will reduce the power by 1. that means minus 2 raised to power 2. This is minus 2 into minus 2. I can write this as minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 divided by minus 2. This will get cancelled and ये बच जाएगा same number, है ना. What is this? This is this number. That means this is minus 2 raised to power 3. What is this? This is base. Right? Next, minus 2 raised to power 1. 3, 2, 1. This is minus 2. I can write this as minus 2 into minus 2 divided by minus 2. This is the same number. है ना? But what is minus 2 into minus 2? This is this number. That means this is minus 2 raised to power 2 by minus 2. That means in each step we are dividing by the base. So next will be minus 2 raised to power 0 will be this previous number divided by the base. That means this is minus 2 upon minus 2. This is nothing but 1. Here also this number raised to power 0 is 1. So in general, a raised to power 0 is 1. अच्छा, वो मैंने माइनस वाला आपको बताना था. अगर if we go further down means 2 raised to power 0 से further down जाएंगे 3, 2, 1, 0 then it will be minus 1, है ना. What will be 2 raised to power minus 1? That is this number upon divide by base. Right? So this is 2 raised to power 0 is 1 upon 2. That is 1 upon 2 raised to power 1. So 2 raised to power minus 1 is the reciprocal of 2 raised to power 1. So 1 upon 2 raised to power 1. Similarly, 2 raised to power minus 2 means this number previous divided by the base. That is 2 raised to power minus 1 divided by base. So this is 2 raised to power minus 1 is, this is 2 raised to power minus 1 is 1 upon 2 raised to power 1 reciprocal like this and divided by 2. So this is 1 upon 2 raised to power 1. Nothing is written here means 1. So this is 2 raised to power 1 plus 1, 2. So this is 2 raised to power minus 2. So this is 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 means 2 raised to power minus 2 is the reciprocal of 2 raised to power 2. Next is minus 1 raised to power even number is 1 and minus 1 raised to power odd number is minus 1. So first we will take even number is 2, even number is 4, this is minus 1 into minus 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, minus into minus is plus, so this is plus 1, ठीक है. अब हम next even number लेते हैं 4, that means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 4 times. तो 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. अब हमें देखना साइन कौन सा आएगा. पहले इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करा, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस, देन प्लस इंटू माइनस इज माइनस, देन माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस. तो ये भी प्लस 1 है. Similarly, if I do minus 1 raised to power 6, this is also even number. तो even number का minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus, then minus into minus is plus. 2 more minus 1 आ जाएंगे 6 में, तो plus into minus minus, then minus into minus plus. ठीक है. For any even number, minus 1 raised to power even number is plus 1. Right? अब लेते हैं odd number. Minus 1 is odd. This is minus 1 only. Next is 3. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. अब देखते हैं साइन. माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस. अब प्लस इंटू माइनस इज माइनस. तो नेट इज माइनस 1. एक और लेते हैं 5. means -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1, 1 1 1 1 1 तो 1 ही आएगा मल्टीप्लाई करके, जितनी बार मर्जी हम मल्टीप्लाई करें। अब देखते हैं ऑड साइन, देखते हैं माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, अब प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस, नाउ माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, अब प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस, तो नेट हमारा जो लास्ट में साइन आएगा माइनस। दैट मीन्स -1 raised to power any odd number is -1. ओके, सिमिलरली -1 raised to power 7, आप देखेंगे ना ऑड है तो लास्ट में तो नेगेटिव ही आएगा। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर and this is all for this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.